Mahati? So right here, if there's a rock in the balloon, right here, you know what's going to happen? The rocks make it harder to blow, okay? Because the rock is making it a little block. Because of its weight, it might be harder to get blown as well. May you get the balloon now? Okay, we got this balloon set. Okay, now we're gonna put this backwards because remember, like I said, because of the air pressure, it goes like this. So, ready? Ready, Mahati? Please turn it around. Okay, are you ready? Set, go. This moves better, okay, because it's bigger and the rock's weight makes it stay right here. Okay? Now I want to tell you something, guys. I want to show you this. Now we're going to talk about the cases. The first case we're going to talk about is right here. Okay. Case 1. There's a straw you could use. Okay, now let's see how this goes. It was fast. Did you see that? It's the to let you why it was fast. Let's think about this for a while. I think I have an idea. Look at the tip of this balloon. Right here. That's the tip. It's bigger than usual. So that means it gets a little bit more pressure, which makes it go faster. Now, let's start taking a look at the picture. Right here, we are going to take a look. In case 1, let's see what's happening. We just made a demo of the same thing. It goes fast. Right here. See, it goes fast and ends. And now let's look at a case 2. Right here is case 2. Right here. Let's turn this around so you can take a look better. So the case 2, if you don't know, is the rock. Case 1, if you don't know, should be this. Or we could say, yeah, this. Now let's take a look at the rock. Now, like I said, okay, now the rock is here. Ready? Let's see what happens. Like that, it doesn't go anywhere. Like that, it doesn't go anywhere because of the rock's weight. Now, finally we can take a look at case 3. The big balloon right here means that it goes, and it ends slow. And let's think about this for a while. Look at this picture. Maybe let's talk about this. Maybe if this was smaller, it might go less slower. The more air there is, the faster it goes. Okay? Now let's get this. Now I want to tell you some things that that are good about this project was invented by a scientist. Let's see what it says right here. Conclusions. let's see and look at this thing right here. For every action, there is an equal opposite reaction that is known as Newton, the scientist's third law. And now, let's see this again. Like I said, if you're going to see me, like I said, like for the car, this could go, but it could go if the air pressure here goes this way, then it makes it go this way. So if you put it like this, it goes this way, backwards. Because of Newton's third law, the scientists find that out. Newton. When air from the balloon is coming out, thrown in the straw in one direction, it pushes the car, rocket, or the rock in the opposite direction. That means nozzle of the balloon is backward. It will go forward. That's what I meant. So now let's see the next one. In case 1, the rocket is light. Weight, so is flying better. In case 2, the rock is heavy. Heavier objects require more force to move. This small balloon can't make the small much force. In case 3, when air from the balloon is coming out, thrown the straw in one direction, it pushes the car in the opposite direction. That is kind of like the Newton's third law. Okay? It pushes the car in the opposite direction. That means nozzle of the balloon is backward. It will go forward. Okay. Now let's close this up and think about something. Now, let's see what happens. Let's look at this case one more time because it was kind of fast. Let's see it. So this is like that. So when you use the straw, it goes faster. Okay, now let's see. Now, finally and not least, now let's do the plane. So let's see. We're gonna put it backward. Let's test if it works. Are you ready? Are you set? Wait a second. 1 second. We gotta get this right. Take this little rubber band off. Okay, oh my god, this is a good idea. This one, rubber band. Okay, everybody, are you ready for the thing you have been waiting for? Our exciting balloon plane. Like I said, now I'm going to stick this right into this plane. Now I'm going to take it off. Let's see if it flies. Boom, baby, boom. Okay, now first of all, let's get to the main part. Let's go back to thinking about the plane. This one and this one. This one. And now first of all, I want to show you this prototype plane. Let's see how it flies. You see that? It'll fly good because of its nest tank. Now, I want to tell you something, guys. First of all, let's see the So the difference about these planes. So first of all, if you don't know, I'll teach you how to make this type of plane. It's pretty easy, simple. Okay. Okay. Now Now let's take the paper. Are you ready? Now carefully fold this like this, crease in the middle. You see the midline? Go diagonally instead of like this, if you don't know, and then you crease. The same with the other side. Now, let's just do it like this. Fold, like usual, then you just fold. So, then you crease. Then you pull backward. Then you put this one backward. And then it's okay. So, the main difference is when we were back right here, when you fold it like this, it makes a sharp end. When you fold it like this, it doesn't. Okay? So, yeah. Thank you for watching this time. So, yeah. Then, like I said, you crease it. And it's pretty easy if you don't know because since it's not sharper, it's easier to fold and make. So there it is. Now let's see how good it flies by itself. It's better like with the balloon because this is more for air pressure. So yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
So yeah. So there is a Newton floss board right here, Mahadi. Now you come here. So thank you for watching this video and please subscribe below.
Bye.
Bye. And by the way, if you want to see more videos of these science projects, just go to Ricky James Ashu's new Ashu. My name is Ashu, she's sisters. So now let's Mahati and my name is Ashu and watch more of these videos in Ashu Mahi. So right in that place you can see more videos of little babies and stuff doing it. And it's pretty funny. Thanks and subscribe below. Bye.